Good morning, everybody. We're on day 3 of the Pelvic Restoration Disease Prevention Masterclass here in Airdrie, Alberta.
And we have 20 of them coming back for more learning and more work. Amazing, beautiful, brave hearts who took amazing, personal, powerful action to come and learn and to heal themselves. And Lorraine, the beautiful teacher, Maureen, Tammy, etc. So we are going to have, this is the last day of our course. So you go ahead.
Okay, so we're gonna let them tell you themselves how it's been.
I'm going first. Well, this has been amazing. I was in Mexico and I kind of started, and I had a big coconut crack, and I'll just share a little personal. It seems like growing up, I remember at a very young age, you know, kind of being ashamed of your body, right? Like, I remember being like 2 or 3 and like, what is this? You know, and I thought, well, if I get caught doing this, I'm gonna get big trouble. No. Where does that come from, right? Where does that programming come from, right? Your parents, your religion, I don't know. So, I mean, this for me is big because now I'm able to openly talk about my body and openly talk about my feelings about my body and my sexuality and all of that. And so it's just been, and realizing too that when I gave birth to my children, it was a very sacred thing. And I kind of missed out because I didn't see it that way. Like, we get pregnant, we have the babies, we push them out, we, you know, feed them and da-da-da-da-da. And it's just kind of this thing we do and we don't really connect with it. And so I've kind of gone back and reconnected with all 3 of them mentally, you know, while I was pregnant, and that was pretty cool.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Lorraine. This is my 27th day. I'm on my 3rd course here in Airdrie, and the pelvic restoration has been very beneficial for not only myself but all the women gathered here. I really wanted to make a point to work on my body, mind, and spirit, and this is kind of key. It's the kind of the holy grail for all the other work we were doing the past 4 weeks. So I'm very grateful to everyone gathered. I'm very grateful for Daryl and his son Sage and all of the people assisting. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sandra May, and I am from the Detox family, but I am so blessed to have gotten to take part in this course. Definitely had my coconut crack for a while and continuing to go further in, and this is the cream of the crop for me to learn how to connect to my spirit. And I am 52 years old, and I can tell you with no shadow of a doubt, I've never connected with myself as I have in this microcosm reaching the yin and the focus on learning how to take that female energy and in our mind move it, but also learning to move those exact muscles. So this is the cream of the crop of the courses, and it fits perfectly with everything else in the Detox world. So I am just here and feeling very brand new. And just a little bit of a personal note, I would have never gathered with 20 women about, you know, even 5-7 years ago. I just would have not done it. So check out the whole meal deal for Detox, and I bid you adieu. My name is Sandra May.
Hi, my name is Lorraine, and I am one of the master trainers here. And the first pelvic restoration and disease prevention that I took, it was really emotional work. I had such a disconnect to that area. I mean, I'm going to be 66 in November, and you know, when I got my period, it was curves. So everything down there was taboo. I mean, it was a place for my husband's pleasure and having kids. And I would have to say I connect with a lot of the ladies here and saying, you know, we pushed out these babies and we did not have that beautiful connection to them. I mean, yes, we loved them. Yes, we nurtured them. Yes, they were important. But there was something missing. And when we can really honor our ovarian palace and do the exercises and strengthen and tone, I mean, how beautiful is that? How beautiful is that? You know, I had the pleasure of being at my grandson's wedding, and with lots of family around, and it was so much more powerful this time, seeing everybody, because of the deeper connection.
Hi, my name is Alicia and I'm also one of the master trainers. I am blessed to be here and watch these women connecting with their sacred feminine and really just blossoming. Each and every one of you are more vibrant for having been here. And myself, when I took the course for the first time in Ixtapa, I really felt the connection to my ovarian palace, I would say, for the very first time, because it is a taboo subject. We are not taught to explore and really learn about ourselves. It's like, go find out for yourself. But when we can get together as a group of women and create this amazing space for growth and a place where we can share and build confidence in our own sacred feminine energy, it is so powerful. And I would say I found my power.
Hi, my name's Tammy. I have been here for the whole life coach and the non-surgical, and this one put the icing on the cake. The pelvic restoration and disease prevention has been awesome. I've learned so much about my body, and meeting all these beautiful ladies, learned so much from them. And yeah, I would highly recommend it to women of all ages, young and old.
Hello, my name is Jeanette, and I came back to do this course. I took the other 2 courses in Ixtapa, so I had to come back and try this course because it was being made while I was there. So looking forward to getting to know myself a lot better, and just having that connection, sexual connection, mental connection, heart connection, where everything in your body is connected, rather than having that area down there being a separate area that I just don't really deal with. So let's deal with it.
Hello, my name is Paige, and I have taken the previous 2 courses this month, so this is my last course. And my experience in this course, I do not have children. I am 32, so I'm still quite young, coming into my womanhood. I would say that this course is helping me understand how to stay healthy with my sexuality. I have a very sexual connection to myself. Just look underneath my bed, you'll find my box. But I feel that this is important for anybody my age to be able to find that connection to how to strengthen those muscles, how to strengthen that pelvic floor and be able to get ready before getting pregnant, and how that can maybe help me, if I do have children one day, be able to keep that health post-pregnancy. Thank you.
Angela?
Hi, I'm Angela. It's the second course I'm taking after Whole Life Coach. I feel this is exactly what every woman out there, doesn't matter the age, young, older, teenager, they really need to connect with their feminine power, with their energy, and to heal emotionally and physically. So I really feel I'm a different person after 3 days. They were like very hard working days because of Sandra here. So she's an amazing teacher, and she gave us like the amazing information you can ever find somewhere. So thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Trish. I'm from the South Okanagan in British Columbia. So I'm here day 3 in Airdrie, Alberta for the Pelvic Restoration and Disease Prevention course. It's my first Doc of Detox course. I came with some pretty big, intense around trauma from my childhood. To move past that, cleanse myself, learn to love myself in that area and trust myself. And I have to say this course has been above and beyond what I had expected. And on my walk here this morning from where I'm staying, it's a 15-minute walk, and just listed the top 5 reasons that I felt and have learned, my takeaways, the top 5 reasons, and trauma being one, increased sexual pleasure, and again, just trust for myself and exploring that area, the holy grail area of all women. The facilitators have been amazing, and again, I just feel that my intents have been answered from the universe above and beyond what I expected. And I'm so excited because this morning I heard my final message that I'm now going to Australia in a couple of days to do the whole life coach and non-surgical training.
Rose. Hi, I'm Rose. I'm 51 years old. This is the last day of the pelvic restoration and disease prevention course. I've discovered muscles that I've never had down in the pelvic region, and I encourage each woman to come to the next class. The one's in Australia, and then they go to Florida, and it's 3 days, and you can find information on BraveHeartNation.com and become a BraveHeart and find out about sexual energy and healing and other secrets. It's beautiful.
Hi, my name is Barbara Butler. I'm from Edmonton, Alberta. This is my 3rd course. First one was the whole life practitioner, then both non-surgical, and now the pelvic restoration and disease prevention. I highly recommend all 3 courses to anyone who wants to learn more about healing their body. And I can be reached in Edmonton at 780-288-5619. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Debbie. I am from Prince Albert, Saskatchewan. I'm 50 years old. This is my 3rd of 3 courses. I've been in Airdrie for a month. The pelvic restoration course is the icing on the cake. I've never felt so young and so powerful. I've learned a lot. I thought I knew it all, but I've learned a lot from these beautiful ladies and our 4 beautiful instructors. And yeah, that's about it.
Hi, my name is Michelle Tufton, and I am from Sandra, Alberta. I just did all 3 courses here in Airdrie. I did pelvic restoration. This is my first time. I've done 2 wolf non-surgicals and the whole life coach. My takeaway from this is that, just like many of the ladies have said, we have such a deep feminine power, and we've given it away for most of our lives, for many of us. Most women don't even speak about their pelvic region. We have definitely got to reconnect with that and take back our feminine energy and power. I can be reached at 403-589-3813, and a huge thank you to the beautiful ladies and facilitators, and Daryl and Sage as well. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Liz. I've also done the 3 courses, Wolf Non-Surgical, Full Life Coach, and Pelvic Restoration. I actually thought I knew quite a bit, and this really went a lot deeper. It made me realize how, as we age, and the taboos that have been put on us as we go through life, we kind of numb ourselves out, and we're not understanding our real power within our pelvic area. A lot of other things like diet is number 1, because I found by doing the clapping in some of my areas that you got to take the course for that one.
but there's a lot of stagnant energy and you have to remove it. And it's not about being embarrassed. It's not about, I think it's really connecting deep within your inner being and realizing that there's some damage in there and we are unaware of it. And rather than go into surgery with a knife or whatever, I would rather have the non-surgical as well as the understanding of these pelvic muscles. And it's been great. I love all the women in here. We have had a great time and I'm going to really miss them all. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Christina Nelson, Drayton Valley, Alberta, 43 years old. Also, like everybody else, I've been here for 27 days now. My big takeaway from this course is I've heard it before, but I've never really thought about it, that the circle of life starts in our pelvis, in every woman's pelvis. This course has made me really think about that, and I would love to see more young women pre-pregnancy take a course like this. It would be amazing how better your pregnancies and deliveries would be.
And your partnership with your husband.
And yes, well, I was getting there. Watch out, honey, when I get home. Thank you.
So now you've heard it from 20 very happy, very bright and glowing women who have found their sexual power, they know how to transform that sexual energy into amazing healing and regenerative energy. If you are sitting on the fence and still thinking, I'm not sure I can do this, I'm shy, I'm afraid, I've never talked about my sexuality or my sexual concerns, don't. This could be the beginning of your most amazing life. Get on board. We're coming to Coffs Harbour in Australia, and then I think it's to Bonita Springs.
Yep.
Don't hesitate. The last course is Bonita Springs. You've got one more chance, North Americans. Listen to this message, get on board and come join us, because these women have found, we had amazing time with them. Amazing. 20 women, we've started to say, 20 women, that's too many, I can't manage it. But when everyone is on the path for healing, amazing shifts happen. Energies are open, they're all open to learning and growing. And I think this is an amazing course, and everyone sitting on the fence still thinking about it, sign up now before it fills up. And then, who knows? Have a wonderful time. I'm passing it on to Simran.
You can go to bhnuniversity.com to look at the dates and locations, but Australia and Bonita Springs are the last two of this year. So book your spots and we hope to see you there. Have a beautiful day.